Hello everyone. Today we are dealing with the overview of Kelvin cycle. The Kelvin cycle was elucidated by Melvin Kelvin and Andy Benson. The Kelvin cycle, also known as reductive pentose phosphate cycle or C3 cycle, is a series of biochemical reactions which reduce carbon dioxide to 3 carbon sugar. The Kelvin cycle takes place in stroma of chloroplast in eukaryotic photosynthetic organisms, while in prokaryotic photosynthetic organisms it occurs in cytosol. The carbohydrate produced directly from the Kelvin cycle is actually not glucose but a 3 carbon sugar glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. For the net synthesis of one molecule of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, 3 molecules of carbon dioxide are required. The reactions of Kelvin cycle can be divided into 3 phases, that are carboxylation, reduction and regeneration of ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you so much.